Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Some of you might know that my birthday is coming, and my friend Anna sent me birthday presents. Check out Anna's Instagram account, Pretty When Polished. She also do nail arts, tutorials, and swatches. And in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys the awesome gifts I received from Anna. We have 2 Angel Nail Studio decals, two nail art stickers, Miniso water-based clear nail polish, OMG peel-off base coat, which is my favorite peel-off base coat by the way, bench nail polish in Coral Bliss, bench nail polish in Pink Lemonade, Caronia nail polish in Bohemian Blue, Cutie by Wins Mattely Yours Matte Top Coat, Nicole Diary ND009 Stamping Plate, Beauty Big Bang 04 Stamping Plate, CAD's Nature 026 Stamping Plate, Fab Your Nails Fun 19 Stamping Plate, and an uber chic cleanup brush. Oh my goodness, Anna sent me so much awesome stuffs, and I want to thank Anna for all of these. I really can't wait to try out everything. This is my first time having a CAD's and Fab Your Nails stamping plates, plus the uber chic cleanup brush. Oh my, I think I'm freaking out. Thank you so much, Anna, for all of these amazing birthday presents. And I love the postcard you've sent me too. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow Anna on Instagram. And don't forget to follow me too. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!